Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Taurus, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. Taurus, we are picking few cards, guys, and I'll be picking one card from the Angel Oracle Guidance. So these are for your general energies, guys, and for your Angel Oracle Guidance. This is the card. So that may give us some clarity in our situation, guys. That will be a simple guidance, what we can follow every day to make things go in a better way in our situation, guys, Taurus. So let's start with these cards here. We have Dog, Bouquet and Scythe. So Taurus, in your situation today, guys, maybe for some of you, you are in some kind of worry, stress, deep sadness is there today in your life. Maybe someone you love, someone you hold dear is moving away from you, guys. It may be this person you love, or it may be a friend or a family member. So they have left you and they are moving away, maybe for work, or your relationship is on rocky ground, some kind of troubles, and they have left you without telling you anything, guys. So some kind of separation, grief and stress, sadness is what I see, guys, in your situation today, guys, Taurus. And it may be in this relationship, guys, maybe you love this person a lot and this person is leaving you all of a sudden, maybe because they have someone else interesting them, or they feel that their expectations have not been fulfilled. So something has come up that has made a change in their heart, guys. And I also see that, Taurus, maybe this person is leaving you. Some sadness, stress is there, but they are also they will for sure understand you, guys, the reason for these problems or your situation. So these difficulties are coming to an end for you, guys. So maybe this person is leaving you now, but they will surely come back. They are definitely coming back, guys, and they will realize your worth, or realize what happened in your situation, or what was the reason for certain things going in a particular way, guys. So that is what I see, guys, Taurus. So let's see what is the card for your angel guidance. Happiness. So we were speaking about sadness and sorrow, and we are having this card here. So each and every day we go through so much stress, trouble, sadness, guys, and we feel that happiness is unreachable. But we need to understand that joy comes from within, guys. It is not from outside. It does not come from people. It is from within. When we live each and every moment of our life, and we often forget the things we have in life, appreciate the smaller things, maybe which brings joy in our heart, maybe the wag of a dog's tail or a butterfly fluttering around. These simple things are going to even at the most saddest times, these things are going to bring a smile to us. It is just uplifting our spirit, guys. So these simple things we should not forget, and we should be aware of those simple things in our circumstance. The same way, when we do simple things just to bring happiness to the people. It may be a stranger. When we just give them a smile, they are going to feel happy. So each and every one of us are going through so many troubles and problems, but we need to understand that when we have happiness in our heart, no matter what, we are inviting more happiness in our life, guys. Taurus. So that is the energy, guys, with these cards. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.